Hello! Guess what? Forgot my camera today. So, it was weird, you know, every time I found something I went for my camera and I thought, oh, I haven't got my camera. So, it's straight into the roundup. No silver today. Oh. Found one or two interesting items though. Oh, here's the roundup. Interesting little thingies today. This is for you, Stuart F. Elton. I'm not sure what it is. It's lead. It seems to be stamped. I'm not sure if it's a cloth bale seal. Look. Or one of these, but it looks, it doesn't look right somehow, but weird. That's what it's all about, isn't it? Very little rubbish. Oh, a spindle wall, another weirdo looking one, really heavy. Pewter button. Oh, this is a washer off a cart. Normally they're in better condition than this. The ground round here is eating everything. They use the square nails. The for embossing stuff on the carts, the little pony traps. Now, can you guess what this is? You've either seen one of these or you haven't. Well, you've seen thousands of them actually. They go down the middle of the road and the cat's eyes and they reflect the light back at you. So you see these cat's eyes shining of a night. That one's come out of the road and got lost. Don't know if you know how these work. They're in a piece of rubber. And when your car wheel goes over it, it goes in. It goes into the ground out of the way and then comes back again and a little bit of rubber wipes it clean. But after so often, they just fall out. A cat's eye. Hey. Hey, this give me some. I'm finding this. It's a 133 bullet. It's a little lead bullet, tiny. Now, if you look at this closely, see it says J, PET, and then the rest is missing. It's a bit of copper cut. Don't know why. Oh, I like this. I have had many a penknife. Farmer's best friend. But this is old. It's got pewter decoration on it, flowers. All the steel's long gone, look. But look at that decoration. Pewter, embossed pewter. Like that, that is old. Yes, indeedy. Now, I got buttoned today. This tiny little thing. That be old, I'm not sure. I think it could maybe a garter buckle, but I'm not sure. This one, quite a nice design on this, look. Yes, indeedy. And this one, I've left the iron in the middle. It's trying to fall out. There was two spikes coming up there. One of these buckle there's one still on it, look. It had spikes going across. And then it had them on this other side, but they've gone. And they were made of iron. But that is one old buckle. Certainly is. And this is just a strap buckle. It could be off a big dog collar. More than likely it's a harness strap on for a horse. They look to be part of a watch winder on a pocket watch. Now, coin wise, I got 5. This is, I've had to wait till I get the camera so I can get the date on this. 1948, ship halfpenny. And the others, well, your guess is as good as mine on a lot of these. I can see the head in there, so I'm inclined to call it George III. But I don't know, there's some weird heads around on these coins today. This one, nothing, tiny, 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 look. This, now, who are you? And which way are you looking? It looks to me like they're looking to the left over here. Look, and there's a crown up there. And they got a rose behind, or something. Some emblem behind the shoulder there, look. But, I don't know of a coin like that. At all, at all, at all. But there's the crown up there, and I think that's the head. There's the shoulder line, look. There's the nose. See? There. I've no idea who you are. And either that's a shield behind or a rose. Go this way, and we've got a Britannia in the back of there, look. But the date, ooh, what, 17, blah, 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 something or other. They're just gone. Get that right, and there's a perfect portrait on there, but. And then this one as well, my goodness. What do you say up there? Can't read you. I think you're George III. The soil up there just eats everything. Go around this side and... yeah, we got a Britannia there, but wow. Really hard. Probably an 1806 George III. So there you go. Interesting little hunt, but no silver, I'm afraid. Buckled to death, and then it started raining in a big way. But piece de resistance, it's got to be this knife. You are a little beauty. Look how the iron just goes, but the rest, you're in good nick. So I'll do one there, I'll turn it over, and I'll do one in the top, and then I'll stick them together. Cheating! There you are. Hope you enjoyed the roundup. It was an interesting couple of hours till I got rained off. The spindle whorls up there seem to be different from everywhere else, but a bit more practical. So I'll just keep an eye on you, look. With the cat's eye. Oh, look. Get the light shining back at you. Till I see you later, you take care. And I'll remember to take my camera next time. Bye. Whoa, newsflash. Just had 4 Russian flax bale seals sent in by Tom Eccleston. Yes. That'll keep me busy for a while. See you on the project page.